In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a John Lewis gift card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe this video. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to johnlewis.com. And now once you're here, we want to navigate to the footer of the website. So inside the footer here, and under shopping, it will say gift cards and vouchers. So go ahead and click onto that link. And then you will land to this page and it will say the perfect present for any occasion. So go ahead and click on buy a gift card. And now from here, we've got two different gift cards. So we've got a physical gift card or an e-gift card. So just choose which one you want to do. For this demonstration, I'm going to click on an e-gift card. And then we want to scroll down, then you can choose your design. So say choose your design, and you can go to, if it's a birthday, click on birthday, animated, celebration, new baby, etc. Thank you. Just check which one relates to what gift card you want to give to that person or yourself. So for example, I want to do birthday. I'm going to click on birthday, and I've got 4 different designs here, and you can preview video too. So I'll just quickly play this. So that's what the gift card's going to look like. So say if I'm happy with that, I'm going to check that one, and then I'm going to scroll down. From here, we need to choose an e-gift card value. So there needs to be £10 to £500. So if I want to do 100, click 100. Then you want to personalize your gift card. So put in your recipient's name. I'm just going to put in tutorial whiz, add a personal message. So put text in this field, and then you want to put in a delivery email address like so. And then you can preview your e-gift card as well. So this is what it'll look like. So it says great news, you're being sent an e-gift card to spend at John Lewis, and the value, then the text. So obviously you're gonna have your own personalized message here, and then click on collect e-gift card. Once you like that, you can choose a delivery date. So if you want to send the e-gift card now, tick that box. Or if you want to send e-gift card on a future date, you can click that box. Then you can schedule at a later date. But I want to do send e-gift card now. From here, you got a choice. You can add another gift card if you like, or if you're happy with that, go ahead and click on continue to pay. Now it will say your order summary. Scroll down, fill in your details, all this. So your first name, last name, email, telephone, postcode, and then choose which way you want to pay. So if you want to do credit card, debit card, click that, put in your details. Or if you want to do Google Pay, click Google Pay, and then that will complete your purchase. And then say pay now.